Okay, I'll do another video here. This time, instead of using the manual panel here, I'm going to go into auto mode, and I'm going to allow the ESP-1 here to select the given channels. So I will go to my program, and I will go to play 11 next, which I will go ahead here and fade out, and it should go to 12 next. So I'm currently airing 11, source 11. So I will go ahead and do fade, and 12 will be my next source. Hit fade, and should be going to 12. 13 is my next source, which it's selected 13, which it's showing 13 is my next. So I will hit fade. It will show 14 next, but it's still playing 13, which is correct. It should be playing 13 now because 14 is next. So now that I will do a fade, I should go to 14. So instead of 14, it jumps to 15, and 15 is supposed to be next. So if I do fade, it will stay on 15, and say 16 is next. So it's skipping over every other one. 16 should be next, but it will go to 17 rather than 16. So it skipped over 16, 17 is next. So if I just hit fade, it will remain on 17 and give me 18 as next. So if I fade out of that source, I should go to 18, but instead I will go to 19. It'll skip 18 and go to 19. 19 should be next. So if I hit fade, it'll remain on 19, and my next source from 19, when I fade out of 19, should go to 1. Now these 1 through 9 work as they should. So the next fade will take me to source 1, and it does. And ESP-1 is indicating next will be channel 2. If I hit fade, it will go to channel 2. Channel 3 is next. So once I fade the source, it will go to 3. 4 is next. So if I hit fade, I will go to 4. And 5 is next. So if I hit fade, I will go to 5. Hit fade, I will go to 6. Hit fade, I will go to 7. And hit fade, I will go to 8. And if I hit fade, I will go to 9. 9 is next. Now 10 is next, and 9 is airing. So now I should go to 10 next, but 10 will not select. It will go to 11. So it immediately jumps to 11, which 11 should be next. So if I fade out of 11, of course it'll stay in 11. And that's the end of my program. So display under program, because I didn't program any further than that. But anyhow, the ESP-1 is sending the same data to the DS20 switcher that the manual panel was doing. So I've still got the same two sources are sending the same data to the switcher. So either source, the manual panel or the ESP-1, channels 10 through 19 still have every other channel. It's being skipped over the logic for some reason. S through 9 work perfectly as they should. Thought I would give an update on. I'm going to have to pull the schematic now and do some more study and figure out what cards are responsible for that data coming directly from the ESP-1 right into the decision making here of the DS20. And I know I've investigated the signals all the way to the remote card from the manual switcher, and the logic seemed to be okay there, so I thought I would try the ESP-1 since the ESP-1 is a different source of input to it, and it still behaves the same.